First, let me show you the packaging list of the product. Outer packaging box, M103i mask, storage bag, quick guide, instructions, and magnetic charging cable. That's all for the packaging list. Next, let me explain each functional area on the eye mask. Power on, off button, magnetic charging interface. On both sides are for function switching and mode level adjustment. The three golden fabric contacts above are EEG brainwave acquisition areas. The middle is the graphene far-infrared heating area. The four metal touchpoints below are the ENS microcurrent pulse area. On either side are binaural beats. The relevant information of the product is displayed on the strap. Before using, we need to do two things. First, remove the power supply protective film to ensure the normal charging of the magnetic port. Secondly, we must remove all the blue protective films of EMS contacts to ensure normal operation. That's all for the introduction of all functional areas.